How do you calculate slope, grade, and pitch in construction? Imagine you're building a ramp for a wheelchair or designing a roof that needs to shed rainwater efficiently. Knowing how to measure and calculate the steepness of surfaces is essential in construction. Today, we'll explore how to figure out slope, grade, and pitch so you can do it confidently on the job site. First, let's understand the basic terms. The rise is how high a surface goes up between 2 points. The run is the horizontal distance between those same points. Both measurements need to be in the same units, like feet or inches, before doing any calculations. Calculating slope involves dividing the rise by the run. For example, if a surface rises 3 inches over a horizontal distance of 36 inches, the slope is 3 divided by 36, which simplifies to 1 to 12. This means for every 12 units of horizontal distance, the surface rises 1 unit. Grade is a way to express slope as a percentage. To find it, divide the rise by the run and then multiply by 100. Using the same example, 3 inches divided by 36 inches gives 0.0833. Multiply that by 100 and you get an 8.33% grade. This tells you how steep the surface is in relation to its horizontal length. Pitch is often used in roofing and is expressed as the ratio of vertical rise to horizontal run, usually in inches per foot. For example, a pitch of for over 12 means the roof rises for inches for every 12 inches of horizontal span. You can also convert pitch into slope or grade if needed for other parts of construction. To find the slope in degrees, you'll need to use a calculator and some basic trigonometry. Take the rise divided by the run, then find the inverse tangent or arctangent of that ratio. For example, arctangent of 3 divided by 36 gives the angle of the slope in degrees. This helps when you need precise angles for roofing or other inclined surfaces. Measuring the actual length of a slope, called the hypotenuse, is done with the Pythagorean theorem. Square the rise and the run, add those numbers, then find the square root of that sum. This gives you the true length along the incline, which is useful for ordering materials like roofing shingles or paving materials. In construction, these calculations are used everywhere. Roof pitch affects how well water drains and how strong the structure needs to be. Ramps must meet accessibility standards, often not exceeding a slope of 1 to 12. Roads and sidewalks need proper grades for drainage and safety. Accurate slope measurements help keep foundations stable and prevent water damage. To measure these values, use a tape measure for rise and run, surveyor tools like leveling rods or transits for elevation changes, or digital devices such as clinometers or smartphones with sensors for quick angle readings. Mastering these calculations helps you plan projects better, stay within building codes, and avoid costly mistakes. When you understand how to calculate slope, grade, and pitch, you're taking a big step toward becoming a skilled construction professional.